If your fireplace smoke chamber is damaged or deteriorating, fixing it with refractory mortar is the way to go to keep smoke from leaking into your home. So, like first thing, you want to make sure the fire is totally out and the fireplace is cool before you start any repairs. Grab some refractory mortar, which is specially made to handle high heat, and mix it according to the instructions. It's usually just water and the mortar powder. Next, clean out the smoke chamber really well. Scrape off any loose or crumbling bits so the new mortar sticks properly. You can use a wire brush and a vacuum to get rid of dust and debris. Then, dampen the surface a bit with water so the mortar doesn't dry too fast and crack. Apply the mortar with a trowel or putty knife, filling in cracks and smoothing it out so it forms a nice seal. Let it cure for at least 24 hours before using the fireplace again. If you see any big holes or chunks missing, you might have to apply multiple layers, letting each dry before adding the next. And always wear gloves and a mask because mortar dust can be irritating. One of the biggest mistakes people make when repairing their fireplace smoke chamber is not cleaning the area properly, which causes the new mortar to peel off. Fix this by thoroughly scraping and vacuuming before you start. Another is mixing the refractory mortar wrong, either too watery or too dry, so it doesn't set right. Just follow the package directions carefully for the best results. The third common issue is rushing the curing process and lighting a fire before the mortar is fully dry, which can cause cracking and damage. Always wait at least 24 hours to let it set completely. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle repairs, like fireplace, smoke chambers. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.